Hey everybody, it's Andrew back again with another video, and I want to do a quick peripheral video today as I teamed up with HP to talk about the HP 930 wireless creator mouse, and I think it's one you want to look at, especially because it's on sale right now for the holidays. The HP 930 Creator Wireless Mouse retails for $89.99, but right now you can get it on sale for $74.59. Head on over to the link in the description below for more information and where you can buy one. And at $74.59, to me, this is a steal because, as you will see in this video, this is an excellent creator mouse. And with that out of the way, let's find out what you get inside the box. Let's open it up. Lifting the lid, you're greeted by the mouse itself. We're going to get to that in just a moment, but my first impression holding it is that it is a very comfortable, ergonomically correct type mouse. I'm really liking the way it feels. Now you also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. There is no power adapter in the box, and of course you get some documentation as well. Now this is a very responsive mouse using Bluetooth 5.0 technology with an 800 to 3000 DPI. And that's going to be really good for that precision maneuvering throughout the OS and so forth. That's going to be really great for the creator. Now this supports up to 2 Bluetooth connections, and you could also use the dongle that's included in the box for another wireless connection that's not Bluetooth. So it's a nice versatility in terms of connections here. There are a total of 7 programmable buttons, 3 of which are on the left side. On the front is the USB-C charging port, and on the top is the scroll wheel that is clickable and has really great friction. Also on the top is the Easy Shift button. And on the bottom is the Track on Glass sensor. And to put its size into perspective, here it is in my hand. Now it's a pretty lightweight mouse at 0.29 pounds or 0.13 kilograms. Now I've been using this mouse for a couple of months now, and it's become my main mouse in terms of creative work on either the Windows or Mac side of things. And it's super responsive in terms of the scrolling. I had no issues in terms of lag, and it was super precise when it comes to small dialog boxes or maneuvering through the OS. It has been excellent in every regard. And I've seamlessly integrated it into my daily workflow, making it an essential tool for me to get my creative work done, video editing, Photoshop, and the like. Now, battery life on this mouse has been excellent. HP claims that this will give you 12 weeks of uninterrupted use in terms of the battery charge, and that claim has lived up to the billing. I've rarely had to charge this mouse since I've gotten it. And also keep in mind, a 1-minute charge will give you 3 hours of use. That has been pretty excellent. Now, if you are in the market for a great mouse, I think this is one you want to look at, especially with its sale price right now for $74.99, especially if you do creative work, such as Photoshop, video editing, Lightroom, those type of things, and you need a good, precise mouse to get the job done. This may be your ticket. I want to thank HP for sponsoring today's video, and don't forget to check out that link below. It is on sale right now for $74.59, and that to me is a steal. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in that comment section below. Let me know how I'm doing. Let me know if there's a device or something out there you think I should review. I'll do my best to try to make that happen. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course my website, amdtechreviews.com. So until next time, this is Andrew from AMD Tech. See ya.